welcome to the kitchen. I'm just here with Wayne and Chucky, hanging out, and I'm about to make my favorite fat-burning and cleansing cocktail. And then everyone asked me, so I just thought, why don't I just make a video and show you guys exactly how I make it. So they're all strong ingredients for increasing energy, supporting your metabolism, reducing inflammation in the body, helping accelerate weight loss goals. And so I just take all of them and throw them together and I drink it typically 1 to 2 times a day, but usually in the afternoon, I'd say right around 2 to 3 o'clock, right when I need that little pick me up before dinner time. Hi guys, what's up? Do you want your fat burning cocktail? Are we ready for it? 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a few squirts of fresh lemon juice, few dashes of cayenne pepper. This will get spicy. Start with it 1 dash, and then you kind of build up your bravery to like maybe 3 dashes. It's like, how much spice can you handle in your life? I'm gonna leave that up to you. Start small, work your way up. A fresh pomegranate or fresh tart cherry juice is my favorite. Typically I do sparkling water, and I love the sparkling water element because it makes it this like yummy, refreshing cocktail that I just get to like sip and enjoy. So if you're looking for weight loss goals, this is my go-to drink. Try it, comment below, let me know what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the videos that are gonna be coming up on this feed. Bye guys. Oh, messy. Cheers guys to hitting those weight loss goals for our big new year.